Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. So today we are going to see 10th board exam answer key. So first set 1 we will see, then following by set 2 and set 3 we will go. See first question, the roots of the quadratic equation x minus 1 the whole square equal to 16. So x minus 1 the whole square equal to, we can write 4 square, then square get cancelled. So x minus 1 equal to 4 and x equal to 4 minus 4 plus 1, so x equal to 5. And also you can see x minus 1 the whole square equal to 16. Now if we give x equal to minus 3, so minus 3 minus 1 the whole square equal to 16, minus 4 the whole square equal to 16. So minus 4 also 16, 16 equal to 16. So 5 also solution, minus 3 also solution. So first one answer option C, 5 comma minus 3. Then we will move on to second question. See second question, in the given figure PQ and P are tangent. So PQ and P are, this is tangent to a circle with the center O. Then the radius is 3 centimeter. So we have to find the length of the tangent. So either we should find PQ or RP we should find. So I'm going to join this. Then these two triangles are concurrent. So if these two triangles are concurrent, this will be 30 degree and this will be 60 degree. Then this will be 90 degree. So we should find this value. So we have to find that value. So I can use cos 30 degree. So length of the each tangent we should find cos 30 degree. No, if I'm going to use opposite by tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to opposite 3 adjacent PQ. So that is what I want to find. So tan 30 degree 1 by 3, 3 divided by PQ. So PQ goes there, then 3 into root 3 centimeter. So option A is the correct answer. Next, this question is very easy. So we all know that BPT theorem. So BPT concept, 2x divided by 3x plus 1 equal to x divided by 4x minus 1 divided by 2. Then this 2 goes to there. So 2x divided by 3x plus 1 equal to 2x divided by 4x minus 1. So 2x get cancelled. 4x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 1. So x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 only is the answer. Next fourth question. So fourth question, 3 into 11 into 13 plus 3. So obviously that is composite number. So next, before we are going to see the question, we can see here. See, this is we are, you know that Learning Max Whiteboard, Max online class. So now current 9th standard, you can use this opportunity. So the registration fees is only 2,499. So you just go to Google, search Learning Max Whiteboard. So you can get the application form, or else use my WhatsApp number also, 638139029, or website also you can go. You can see the admission form. So then apply. Admission form is there and apply. So we will contact you. Now fifth question. So fifth question, 2 dice are rolled together. The probability that sum of the numbers obtained divisible by 6 is. So if you are finding now, n of e will be 6, n of s will be 36. So 1 times 6, 6 are 36. So everyone knows that answer A is the correct answer. Next, the number of multiples of 4, the multiples of 4 lying between 12 and 250. So 12 and 250 means we should not take 12. So between they used, so 16, then 20, like that it is goes mean 248. So we should find number. So L equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So 248 minus 16 divided by 4 plus 1. So you will get it as 58 plus 1. So 59 is the answer. Next, this question is very easy. So we know that the formula for volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 it is going to be there, and pi also it is going to be there. R it is going to be L by 2 here. So L by 2 the whole square into h. So pi h also can be written as L. Okay, then pi L cube divided by 12. So pi L cube divided by 12, option A. Next, 8th, we should find the parallel. So parallel in the sense we all know that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. That condition we have to use. So here I am going to divide this equation by 2. So x minus 3y equal to 7 by 2. See here also x minus 3y and here also x minus 3y. So a1 divided by a2, b1 divided by b2 both are equal, but c1 divided by c2. Here if you are taking this one now, minus 7 by 2, that is c1, then minus 7 will come, that is c2. Obviously it is not equal, so answer C option. Next, 9th question. So 9th question, it is from heights and distance concept. So the length of the shadow of a tower is root 3 times its height. So height I am going to take it as x now. The length it is going to be root 3x. Then we have to join. So we should find the altitude. So theta is here. So tan theta equal to x divided by root 3x. So this will cancel. So 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 means 30 degree only possible to get 1 by root 3. Next, 10th question. If the roots of the quadratic equation root 3x square minus kx plus 2 root 3 equal to 0 are real and equal. So real and equal it is there. So we know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So here b is equal to k square minus 4a root 3 c 2 into root 3 equal to 0. So 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3 24. So k square minus 24 equal to 0 and k equal to plus or minus root 24. Option A. Next one, 11th, nth term we should find. So that a equal to minus 1 by 3, d equal to 1. So we know that a plus n minus 1 into d to find the nth term. So a minus 1 by 3 plus n minus 1 into 1 only. So n minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So n minus 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So n minus 4 by 3. That is what the correct answer. N minus 4 by 3. So 11th question answer, n minus 4 by 3, option B. Then 12th question, in the given figure PT is a tangent to the circle with center O, POT is 45 degree, then we should find the length of OP. So OP is here. So again it is the same question which we have solved in the previous one. So this question answer is R into root 2. Next, this one is similarity. Similarity, we know that AB divided by QR is equal to BC divided by RP. So AB value 9, QR only we should find x, BC value 5, RP value 2. So 5x equal to 18, then x equal to 18 by 5. So answer x equal to 3.6 centimeter. So 3.6 centimeter. And then we have to find the polynomial. To find the polynomial, we have a concept x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta k outside. So x square, sum of roots minus 1 by 3 into x plus products of root 2. So x square plus x by 3 plus 2. Then if you are taking LCM means 3x square plus x plus 2, 1 over 3 outside. So 1 over 3 doesn't matter here. So this will be the answer. But here there is no option like that. In case if I am going to take minus 1 by 3 outside means minus 1 by 3 outside, minus 3x square minus x minus 2. So the answer minus 3x square minus x. No, we should multiple 6. 6 will come here. 6. And here also will come 6 because LCM you are taking means 2 3s are 6 will come. So answer D, minus x is 3x square minus x minus 6. Then 15th question, very easy. Sin 2 alpha equal to root 3 by 2 then we should find 2 alpha. So 2 alpha is equal to 60 degree, because root 3 by 2 will come under sine 60 degree. So alpha equal to 30 degree. So alpha equal to 30 degree means we should find sine 3 alpha. So sine 3 into 30 degree, sine 90 degree. So sine 90 degree, 1 is the answer. Next 16th question. So 16th question obviously easy. So mode equal to, the relation mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, that we have to use. Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, that we have to use. If you are using and substituting the value means, you will get 24.75 is the answer. Then 17th question. So 17th question, it comes from coordinate geometry. So it is going to be AD is going to be, they just given ABC is a triangle, AD is going to be midpoint. So AD is reacting as a median, in the sense this is going to be equal, those two things are. So if we use the formula, the answer is B equal to answer B, minus 5 by 2 comma 0 and 5 by 2 comma 0. Then once again, so I'll intimate you, so CBSE class upcoming 10th max. So March 1 onwards we will start. So monthly 15 class, 1 hour class, concept strengthening, per batch 5 students. So the registration fee is available here also. You can WhatsApp this number, or else go to Google, search Learning Max Whiteboard. You can get the website. In that website, admission form is also available. So you can apply, and then we will get back to you. Next 18th question. So 18th question, the value of 1 by 2 tan square. See 1 by 2 tan 45 degree 1 is square we should take. Then cos 60 degree 1 by 2, then square we have to take. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 2 divided by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 8, 1 by 4 is the answer. Option C is the answer. Next, we know assessment and reasoning question. Radius is the smallest distance of a tangent from the center of a circle. It is true. Then radius is the perpendicular to the tangent. This is also true. So radius is obviously smallest distance when which concept, this one involved in tangent concept. Then radius is the perpendicular to the tangent. That is also true. So we have to see whether it is correct explanation or incorrect explanation. So obviously this is correct explanation. So 19th question, option A is the correct answer. Then we will go with the 20th question. Tan 2 theta is not defined, because tan 2 theta means theta 45 degree, tan 90 degree, which is impossible, undetermined form, not defined. That is what assessment. Then the reason is sin 90 degree and cos 90 degree not equal. That is also true. Sin 90 degree and cos 90 degree, those two values are not equal. This is also true, and this one is also true. So but we have to check it whether it is a correct explanation or not a correct explanation. Not a correct explanation only. So not a correct explanation. 20 question, answer B, not a correct explanation. But 19th question, option A, correct explanation. So once again I'll tell you final time. So we will offer a online class to junior 10 students 9 to 10. So what include monthly class, 1 hour concept strengthening, per batch 5 students only. So register it now, 2499. So you can use WhatsApp number, or else website also you can use. Website, you just search it in the Google Max Whiteboard. So then you just press that menu button. In that menu button, admission form is there.